Have you ever visited Turkey? How do you imagine the country? Do you have any idea of its scenery or people? In this video we continue our road trip onto Cappadocia. So we decided we're gonna drive onto Cappadocia. Should be amazing. And continue to be amazed by the landscapes we find and the friendly people we meet. Travel along with our family as we sail around the world and explore new places.
Is het daar ook spannend?
Cappadocia?
Daar ga ik misschien wel van huilen.
Nee, toch?
En
You okay, Lily?
yes.
Okay, almost there. Last time we walked through a huge canyon in southern Turkey, barefoot. Okay. Now we are back on some bigger rocks. Schoenen! Yay! Now we're back on the road, driving the campervan to Cappadocia.
Dat is bijzonder, hè?
Film je het?
Daar wonen denk ik mensen
Nee, een kameel.
Waar? Zie je? Op de GoPro letten.
Ja, geef hem aan papa. Dat is bijzonder, hè?
Well, we arrived Cappadocia
Kijk eens.
and it's autumn.
Spel met steentjes.
Wow.
Echt bijzonder, hè?
And just like that we are in Cappadocia. Isn't that amazing? Just thought of it this morning. Maybe we should do this because we were only like 3-hour drive away. We did it. So it's pretty awesome. Now we're gonna explore the different valleys that you have here. And yeah, enjoy this spectacular area. It's really amazing. Nice and fresh here too, only like 15 degrees. It was like 25 during the day where we just came from. So of course we have the Taurus Mountains just in the middle. So that's probably what separates the two zones. So yeah, it's amazing. Very friendly place too.
Geen.
En wie is er als eerste in het torentje?
Wil je afvallen? Oei, ik wil hand.
Ja. And that was sunset in the Love Valley in Cappadocia. Another day of our trip gone by. Pretty cool one. There's more valleys to explore, so I think we'll do that tomorrow. This one is amazing. Bit more light would be good, but still. The last few sun rays of the day are also amazing in the distance. So now find our way back. It's actually not that easy to find the access to the bottom of the valley. You can find viewpoints at the top looking down, but going into it's not that straightforward. And there we are, the Rose Valley. It's a little dark, but it still shows rose color. Amazing. And on the left side you can see some houses carved out of the stone. That evening we had a nice dinner in Goreme, a town that lies in the middle of all the spectacular valleys of Cappadocia. The following morning we went to Chez Galip, a master in pottery living in Cappadocia, and we attended a pottery workshop, then followed by a look around this amazing collection of pottery products.
Welcome to Turkey.
Thank you.
You see before making pottery?
Never.
Never. Okay. Now I start. Are you ready?
Dus hij doet water op zijn handen. En dat ding moet draaien.
Yeah.
En dan doe je heel hard.
Oh, Lily. How old are you?
I think it's
3.
3.
Yes.
Oh, you're
8.
8. Oh, very nice. Your name?
Yosha.
Yosha. This color name Yosha. Turkish name is Yosha. That is a iron oxide. But
Okay.
Turkish name Yosha.
Really? Never heard the name before.
How are you, Yosha?
Leuk?
Zie je de kleurtjes komen?
This is normally after fighting we make design.
Wow. Done.
Je mag het voelen.
Mag. Okay, mama. Show us what you got.
Ik weet dat het helemaal misgaat.
Gaat mama lukken?
Ja?
Ja? Don't break the speed limit. Ja. Moet hij omhoog komen, oké.
Slowly, very good. Not everybody can be a master. Okay. Very nice.
Op de handrem. Ja.
First try.
Oh ja.
Check.
This I can.
Tada!
This one I can do.
Hey. Good so.
Een beetje
And then, of course, it was Josja's turn.
te hard, want dat deed ik ook. Kijk eens, je kan het nu al beter dan
Erg
ik.
mooi. Super.
Oeh, really good.
Nice.
So we can put the plant. Okay. Yeah?
This do?
Kan ze het goed.
Ook foto.
Nice.
Wauw. Toch? Nee, mooi. Je mag.
Ja. Well, and now we're coming home with self-made pots and pots by Mr. Galip. It's amazing. Next we are now at KayMakli, one of the widest underground cities in Cappadocia area. Has a total of 36 apparently, and maybe even more being discovered while we speak. But we're gonna visit this one because it's supposed to be really good for the kids, with open areas for them to run around and stuff. So very curious to see what that's like. We're going in now. That's what we're going to see. Okay. There we go. Ja, dat kan.
It's very deep.
No, they can't go very far. Leuk.
Like system of tiny. Remember?
Goodbye.
For grinding, for crushing spices like.
And above the building we see how the top looks. Nice. A good time to visit as well, apparently slightly off season now. It's end of October and there's about 1,000 visitors a day, and it already felt pretty crowded in the caves, underground city. But in the midsummer they have 4,000, 4 times as much in a day. Imagine. So we were thinking we drive to the Rose Valley and go for a walk in that. But turns out, and from a distance it looks pink, you know, rose kind of color. But turns out this is the Red Valley. We're still going for a walk. It's amazing. Oh, Rose Valley this way? Okay, so maybe we found it then. Let's see. What a landscape is this, right? Pretty different. The following morning we woke up like this. Please join us again next week for more inspiring travel stories. Or take a look at some of our earlier videos to see how we got ourselves set up for sailing around the world in the first place.